Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, coming at you from Massachusetts. And today I'm here with some royal mail, and it is from Allie Cousins. And I like the way she did her envelope. She's got some bugs over here, some birds here, and it's crafty items. The reason I know is because she has it written right here, and I'm assuming it's for my Friends Across the Miles junk journal that I'll be working on. So let's get into this bad boy and see what she has sent. Ooh, I see some goodies. There's a note. Oh no, that's some dyed paper. Some little goodies. We have some dyed paper here. And it's pink. Notebook paper. We have some ephemera. Roses, butterfly, dragonfly, a flower. I wonder. Piece of a napkin. Some more ephemera, another flower. Another, ooh, this is a hummingbird. Here's a girl, head, silhouette. Another piece of a napkin. No, this is tissue. Okay. Then we have some flowers. A flower. A butterfly. More flowers. This is going to be a fun page to build. Some look like crochet, or I don't know what kind of flowers these are, but they're pretty. Okay, here's a little piece of ribbon. Cool beans. Here's some more flowers. Cool beans. Here's the word love. Here's an applique. Oh, those little flowers are appliques. Okay. Here's another butterfly cut out of a magazine page. We have a little border. Let's see. There we go. Border. We have a butterfly die cut. We have a piece of fabric with some embroidery on it. A little piece of lace trim. My mind is going with this one. Here's a leaf cut out of floral paper. Here is, ooh, I like this one. It's vintage. Okay. We have a heart. We have part of a doily. Then we have an ink splatter. We have some flowers. We have some script. Another napkin with butterflies. Then we have this bird, which was decoupaged. Cool. Then we have a tag with butterflies, flowers, and the word happy. And then we have these little flat back pearls. Really, really neat. She's got my mind going for her page. I tell you, this is going to be a very, very nice page. So, what I'm going to say to all of you is thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Oh, here's a little satin rose. So, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment. It will help my channel to grow. And I will say this in closing. Please be blessed, be crafty, stay safe, be safe out there. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now.